Hey guys, today we're going to make some cheesesteaks, Philly cheesesteaks, but one important thing. We're gonna mess them up. We're gonna wrap cheesesteaks with bacon and eggs. Plan is to cook up the bacon, get that going pretty well. Push that off to the side. Put the meat on. Go ahead and get that just about finished up. And then we're gonna cover that with some cheese. We're gonna chop it up into like 5 different piles. Cover each one with cheese. I'm gonna put some bacon on some. I'm gonna put fried eggs on 2 of them. And it's gonna be pretty awesome. So we'll be right back. All right, so I threw some oil down. I don't even know why, because bacon's gonna create its own oil. I got the first 3 burners on high, the last one off. Just gonna cook up some of this bacon first. Ooh, that's a good one. You can hear it. All right, we're just about done here. Wow, it's like all chunks at the end here. That last piece was folded. So everything's high. High, 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 off. Might as well throw a little pepper on. Got it out here, why not? And I'm not gonna make this bacon crispy, because I'm a fan of the soft bacon. If you're a fan of the soft bacon, leave a comment below, let me know. I'm gonna go to like medium high. All right, let me, I'll finish up this bacon. Don't worry, it's not gonna burn. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, so I bought these. This one, shaved beef steak from Weiss. I thought it was a pound, but it says 12 ounces, so a little less than a pound. I'm hoping to get 5 out of these 2 packages. So normally I get 2 out of a pound, so they're gonna be maybe smaller, but because we're adding the bacon and the eggs, probably be all right. So got everything just about medium heat. This one's off over here. You see this bacon? See that nice fatty bacon there? That's right. No crispy bacon here tonight. So some people are going to comment and say, oh, you want that super high heat. Not me tonight. We're taking it easy. May take a little longer, but that's fine by me. So this is a shaved steak. If I was rich, I'd get some ribeye. So to spread this around, seems like this was frozen earlier today. This is going to cook pretty quick. So I'm going to spread it out pretty well. Add some pepper. Add some salt on there. We didn't add any oil because it was still pretty heavy with the bacon grease. Toast down a little bit. I don't want to dry it out. I still have to do the eggs. And these are super thin, so. Whoop, there you go, because you're touching the side of the grill there. Just kind of ripping them up. Now you could put onions, peppers, mushrooms, but tonight we're just doing them easy. So I'm just kind of shredding up what I have here, and you can tell it's just about done here. Still see some pink moving through. So what I'm going to do now, I'll turn things way down because we're doing eggs next. I don't want these things to overcook. So let me move these guys over a little bit. I'm going to turn this guy. This guy's off now. That one has been off. Move these over until I can make some piles. All right, let's get some eggs going. All right, so we've got 5 eggs. Grab an extra just in case. So what we're going to do, I like cracking them into a bowl first, make sure they look good. That one looks good. Now we get to find out how level the griddle is. Again, we have low heat going on there. So I'm doing, 2 people want eggs on their cheesesteaks. So I'm going to put 2 fried eggs on each. Yep, I could have dumped them all right on. Let's go ahead with the last one. The extra. And we're going to dry these out, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them. You can do them over easy, so that way you got some stuff scrolling down your cheesesteak. But these guys I'm just going to make easy. A little salt and pepper. Reminder, this one's off, this one's off. Doesn't mean it's not hot. It's still pretty hot over here. You can see the bubbling over here. Shouldn't take too long. Oop. Leaky one. All right, I'm going to start making some piles here. So we're going to make 2 at first. So let's take one of our rolls. Well, may as well grab them both out. Here's the rolls, Amoroso. We're going to make a pile about the size of the roll. May as well toast some of these. All right. Then I'm going to grab some of this cheese. We're using provolone cheese, just regular, right from the deli. You're going to put it on top and you'll see why in a minute. All right, next, grabbing some of the bacon. Do 3 pieces each. Perhaps. Throw some eggs on. And then, so these are a little bit toasted. Put these on like a tent, and that should melt the cheese nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this first one off. That's our extra egg. I'm gonna put him over here. So it's probably going to be melted enough. Grab it from the side, flip it over. And you have yourself an awesome cheesesteak. Woo! Look at those. So, let me finish making these, and we'll be right back with a taste test. Guys, what what do we have here? Awesome cheesesteaks. All right, so I did sprinkle the bacon across everybody's. Some people didn't want bacon, some people didn't want egg, but I figured this looked pretty awesome, right? So let me take a bite of one of mine, which was the egg and the bacon. Bacon, egg, and cheese steak. Give you a little better look. And here we got the mozzarella, got the egg, the bacon, the meat. I'll move this away so I'm not doing I'm not going to drop any food droppings over anybody else's. That tastes awesome. Not dried out. I think the secret is moving the meat over to the colder zone when you're doing the eggs and things. Last thing you want is a dried out cheesesteak. This is awesome. And again, you can add onions, peppers, pepperoni, mushroom, whatever you want. Add it to it. Make a video. Make it awesome. I'll watch it. I'll thumbs it up. But let me know what you think about this one. Put some comments below. And we'll see you next time. I'm thinking about maybe not telling anybody this is finished. I'm just going to go ahead and eat them all. Am I right? All right, see you next time.